tell people a little bit about me. Okay, let's see. I started in real estate in 2007. I quit my previous job and I started flipping houses right when the recession hit. My career started in Oak Park, Michigan, where I flipped my first house. And from that, I continued flipping houses. It went rather well. But I've always been a hands-on guy. I know drywall, plumbing, electrical, things like that. So I was never scared of it. I was more excited to do it. And it worked out. After my second house, I actually hired a real estate agent to help me find houses. And after the second house, I soon realized that the knowledge of the agent was not there. I knew way more than the agent. So we parted ways. And I decided at that point that I'm going to get my license and I'm going to be the best agent that I could possibly be. Because I was so frustrated. I'm like, no wonder nobody wants to pay 6% commission. So I got my license and continued flipping houses. I ended up flipping about 25 houses. And during that time, as the market came back, I started doing more sales and more sales. But as a flipper, you're always looking for the deal. You're always looking for the best price on the house. So you navigate the market, and ultimately, it led me to Detroit, where there's the market is amazing in Detroit. You have all walks of life. I have local investors. I have international investors. I have home buyers. I have home flippers. You name it. I've sold short sales. I've been in houses with squatters. I've been to the auction before. So anybody who deals with me is getting a hands-on agent. I'm not just an agent with a license, which I'm very proud of. I'm hands-on. And with all the experience I have of flipping the houses, when I'm working with buyers, I'm able to share that with them. I can walk into a house and immediately notice the value in the house. I can notice the quartz or the granite countertops, the nice cabinets, the knobs, whether the plumbing is done correctly, nice drywall, beautiful hardwood floors, or if it's thrown together, I can recognize that and I can advise my buyers properly. And then as sellers go, being at Berkshire Hathaway, we are on top of the Detroit market. Our current budget for marketing alone is over $1 million for this year. And that is due in part because we work directly with most of the developers in some of the coolest projects coming to Detroit. Our marketing includes custom brochures for the projects. We advertise in many local and national print campaigns, magazines, Our Detroit, D-Business, Prestige Magazine. We also create websites specific for some projects. We are all over social media. I mean, we dominate social media. Our marketing is actually second to none, and that's a real benefit to you as a seller. And to back that up, we sell on average $11 per square foot more than any other brokerage in Detroit. It's a proven fact. To go along with that, we currently hold over 34% of all condo sales in Detroit. So we're very proud of that. We study the market. We know it extremely well. If people are looking for a condo with a pool, we know which ones they are. If they're looking for a condo with garage parking, we know which ones they are. We know how much they sell per square foot, and as a seller, we can get you the highest price because we know the market, we study it. That's a tremendous value to you. Another thing that's different about me is I actually answer my phone because it's so frustrating to deal with an agent that doesn't return calls or doesn't answer the phone. I just think that is unacceptable. If I can't get to the phone, I'm going to send you a text and say, hey, is it okay if I call you right back? I'm currently in a meeting or I'm with a client. I definitely respond to my phone calls, and I represent you. I'm always going to dress nice, and I'm always going to represent you to the best that I can. So that's a little bit about me. I hope this helps. My name's Stephen Edward with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, the Loft Warehouse. I am your Detroit guy. I hope we connect. I look forward to working with you on selling your property or assisting you in purchasing the property of your dreams. Happy house hunting. I hope we connect soon. Thanks.